Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to Beard Network. Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about one of the internet's top beard questions, which is, why do beards itch? We'll go ahead and start with the most common reason why your beard can itch, and that's because your skin naturally moisturizes itself with oil. Now, when you start growing a beard and you have all that hair coming in, your skin is going to naturally try to moisturize that hair as well, and it's not used to producing enough oil to moisturize your hair and your skin. So your skin can actually end up getting quite dry, and that's one of the reasons why it can cause an itch, is dry skin, okay? Because it's not used to having to moisturize all that hair with the skin. So that's where beard oils will come in to help keep your beard and skin moisturized to avoid all that itchiness. Another thing that can also cause beard itch is having poor hygiene. If you don't regularly wash your beard and you allow it to get dirty and stay dirty, then that can cause some issues as well, like acne, a rash maybe, ingrown hairs will become more common, and that will cause a lot of itching as well. Now, how to mitigate that is just make sure you keep your beard washed. I usually wash mine at least once a day, unless I get something in it noticeably, like food or drink or something, then I'll go and rinse it out real quick just to make sure that it stays clean and moisturized. But if you don't do that, then it can cause itch. Now, along with washing, it's also good to brush your beard a lot. Brushing your beard actually kind of massages your hair follicles, and it helps prevent or get rid of ingrown hairs to keep those down to a minimal. And if you're still having beard itch after all that, then I would check out what kind of soaps you're using, or beard wash that you're using to wash your beards, or the oils, okay? Because you might have sensitive skin. Now, if you have sensitive skin, you might need to refine and go through different types of washes, because those washes with harsh chemicals, or if it's not all natural, or if it's like heavy in scent, you might want to find something that's a little lighter, light scented, or all natural, and try to figure out what works best for your face and beard. You need to find something that's not going to irritate your skin so much and have you break out and itch a lot. But that's another big thing that a lot of men have that they don't actually think about, is that they actually have, nobody wants to hear it, that they have sensitive skin, but it's true. I have sensitive skin. I can't use certain body washes because it irritates the crap out of my skin. My skin gets red and rashy. I have to really watch what I use, which products I use on my face especially. And now with the beard, it just follows that as well. I really pay attention to what products I put in my beard and how I react to it, and that determines whether I'll use it again or not. And one final thing that could possibly be causing your beard to itch is just your overall diet. If you're not getting the minerals and vitamins that you need, your beard might be lacking, and it could cause itching as well. You need to make sure that you're getting enough vitamin D and biotin, for example. Right? Those really help overall beard health and thickness. And if you're not getting enough, then that can cause beard itch. Another thing is you want to make sure that you're well hydrated. Okay, that's very important. You got to stay well hydrated. If you don't, then it will show, and it could cause extra itchiness as well. All right, guys, those are the main reasons on why your beard might be getting itchy. Again, this question is asked a lot on the internet, so I figured I'd make a video kind of going into detail on exactly why your beard could be getting itchy. Hey, if you learned something from this video, if you enjoyed it at all, then I'd like to ask you to hit the subscribe button, maybe drop a like. I'd greatly appreciate it. And with that said, hey, I hope everybody has a great day today.